Hi, my name is Davette Daggett. I serve on the executive board for the Middle Passage Ceremonies and Port Markers Project. My role is secretary of the board as well as I'm on the finance committee. I take great pleasure in assisting with administrative duties as well as working on the finance committee, making sure that we're managing funding, projecting our expenses, and monitoring our expenses accurately. I've been involved with this project since day one in 2011 in one capacity or another and just helping out. But I take great pride in each time a marker is installed. There's a lot of research that goes into play to bring a marker alive, and it's just really wonderful to learn new history through the ceremonies. It is amazing to watch all the groups of people that come together to make that happen, the community relationship and the relationships that are built at that moment, and then the ones that live on. I think it's wonderful that we have kids involved, and that way that they're continuing to share and build the knowledge and sharing and truth telling of our history and paying homage to our ancestors and descendants.